Hello everybody, Transportation UK here, and welcome to a video I haven't done in a long time because of the coronavirus, but I thought I might do a little video of train spotting in my in my own little city, Sheffield. So here we are at Sheffield, we're situated on the end of the Midland Main Line. Today at Sheffield you're going to be seeing services by East Midlands Railway, Cross Country, Trainspotting Express and Northern. Now departing is the 1500 East Midlands Railway service to London St Pancras, starting here. Derby Acres Park. 222-008. Although the services are on a reduced timetable, there should be still plenty to see. Let's see what else shall turn up. Arriving is a terminating service from Manchester Piccadilly. It is a Class 156, which is quite rare around here. Only normally around Birmingham. Manchester. 156461. Now arriving at platform 2 is the 1511 Trainspotting Express service from Manchester Piccadilly to Cleethorpes. The Manchester to Cleethorpes services and Cleethorpes to Manchester services are running every 2 hours, and only half of them are going to Manchester Piccadilly and half of them are going to airport, because since no one's travelling back up from the country today for now. 185144. Now about to depart from platform 1A is the 1515 Northern service to Leeds via Bolton-on-Dearne. 158791. Calling at Meadowhall, Rotherham Central, Swinton, Bolton-on-Dearne, Goldthorpe, Fernscoe, Moorthorpe, Fitzwilliam, Sandal and Agbrigg, Wakefield Westgate, Altwood and Leeds. Formed of a Class 158 Express Sprinter. Next stop being Meadowhall. Arriving at platform 1B is the 1521 cross country service from Plymouth to Edinburgh Waverley. Calling at Wakefield Westgate, Leeds, York, Darlington, Durham, Newcastle, Alnmouth, Berwick-upon-Tweed and Edinburgh Waverley. Formed of a Class 220 Voyager. Two 220-031. hope you have enjoyed my little video. Please stay tuned for more videos in the future after the lockdown has relaxed a lot more. Probably by summer, we'll probably be able to go out more. My next station for Trainspotting will either be Manchester Piccadilly, Leeds or York, depending on what's yeah.